My name is Jacob Mchangama. I'm a human rights lawyer. Being born and raised in safe and liberal Copenhagen, I never thought that defending free speech would ever become a central calling of mine. But the riots, attacks and deaths following the publications of cartoons depicting the Prophet Muhammad in a Danish newspaper deeply disturbed me. What was even worse was the meek response by governments and intellectuals in democracies. It's important to me that people are free to live happy and free lives and never be afraid of being jailed, hurt or killed for something they may say or believe in. And so what follows are my beliefs: that free speech and freedom of religion are not contradictory, but complementary. We need one to have the other. We need both to live peacefully in a society with cultural and religious diversity.